Good evening. Myself, Dr. Anand Swarup Pandey, Professor, BBA Department, GIMS Engineering Management Technical Campus, Greater Noida. I'm taking your subject Business Ethics and Corporate Social Responsibility. In my previous slides and video lectures, I had explained in detail about unit number 1. And the unit 1 was concerned with management ethics, values, and behavior, the importance of management ethics, and the degree of the relationship between management ethics and behavior. Now in unit number 2, I will explain an introductory dimension today about knowledge and wisdom. So unit 2 is mostly concerned with knowledge and wisdom. So today I will take up knowledge and wisdom. Now these are the 3 important topics I will discuss today. The very first topic is the meaning of knowledge and wisdom. Number 2, the difference between knowledge and wisdom. And number 3, knowledge worker and wisdom worker. So let us take the very first term, that is the meaning of knowledge and wisdom. Here, the term knowledge simply refers to the understanding or awareness about a person, thing, or subject, such as facts, skills, information, etc. It is the state of what you know about a particular topic. It is the familiarity with different objects, ways of doing things, places, cultures, events, facts, ideas, etc. It can be theoretical or practical proficiency gained over time through education or experience by learning, observing, researching, discussing, studying, and so on. So what does this mean? Knowledge is nothing but the comprehension or understanding or awareness about a person, about thing, about materialistic objects, about information, about skills, facts, and so on and so forth. It is the state of the mind to know about a particular topic. It is the state of the mind to know about a particular topic. This is very, very important. Every person has different sort of perception about the objects, the action, the skills, the information, cultures, events, facts. So knowledge is to identify the information, skills, facts, figures, events, taking into consideration about the proficiency that is to be gained through education or experience by learning. And under knowledge, it is quite essential that learning is the foundation of knowledge, number one. And number two, learning is the continuous process. So when one can learn about any of the skill, about any of the information, one becomes aware. And this degree of awareness comes under the arena of knowledge. So what is the simple meaning of knowledge? Simple meaning of knowledge is the comprehension or understanding or awareness about an individual or object. Now let us try to understand the meaning of wisdom. Wisdom is a wider term than knowledge and intelligence. It is the quality of person to think, act, or discern what is best, right, true, and enduring. It is the application of common sense, knowledge, and experience at the right time, place, manner, and situation so as to follow the best possible course of action. It develops the ability to judge and make beneficial and productive decisions in life. So, with this meaning, that wisdom comes after knowledge. Wisdom is the realization of knowledge. Knowledge is the theoretical dimension, while wisdom is the practical dimension of knowledge. Knowledge is the backbone of wisdom, because wisdom depends upon the intelligence as well as knowledge of an individual. So the practical dimension of knowledge and intelligence is the wisdom. So first of all, we had to go through the knowledge and intelligence. Then the culmination of the knowledge, the reality of the knowledge, then it becomes wisdom. And wisdom is the ultimate truth of the life. We had the knowledge, that is Aham Brahmasmi. But when you are actually practically know the meaning of this term, Aham Brahmasmi, then that theoretical knowledge, Aham Brahmasmi, becomes the wisdom. And what does this mean? This means that you altogetherly observing at every point of time that soul, God is always present in each and every individual, in living things as well as on non-living things. This is called as wisdom. So wisdom is a very wider term as compared to knowledge and intelligence. Now, actually, what is the difference between knowledge and wisdom? So, there are certain key points, key areas. That is meaning. The meaning of knowledge is the collection of information and facts about something or someone by learning and experience. Collection of information and facts about something or about someone by learning and experience. While wisdom is nothing but it is the ability to judge and make right choices in life. If we know the facts and figures about something, then we should have to develop the ability to judge and make right choices in life. The second parameter about knowledge and wisdom is what is it? Knowledge is the organized information, while the practical dimension of knowledge or applied knowledge is the wisdom. So, what is it? Organized information is for knowledge, while wisdom is the applied knowledge. So, you know that wisdom is a bigger term, wider term as compared to knowledge. Third, nature. Knowledge is always selective, while wisdom is always comprehensive. Comprehensive, we are taking into consideration each and every minute to minute facts and figures and bits of information under wisdom. While in the situation of knowledge, it is very, very selective what we had to gather and what we should not select. So knowledge is always selective while wisdom is comprehensive. Knowledge is the deterministic process, while wisdom is the non-deterministic process. Now, what is the meaning of deterministic? Exactness. Knowledge is to know exactly about someone, about facts, about things, and so on and so forth. That is called as the deterministic, absolute. While wisdom is non-deterministic. Non-deterministic means you are actually comprehending the knowledge as per your own perception. That is non-deterministic. And what is the outcome of knowledge? Outcome of knowledge is understanding. And what is the outcome of wisdom? Outcome of wisdom is judgment. Judgment always comes only after understanding of facts, figures, someone, and something. So, judgment depends upon understanding. Wisdom depends upon knowledge. Knowledge approach. Knowledge is theoretical, while wisdom is spiritual. When I am saying I am Brahmasmi, it is a theoretical concept. But when I am actually realizing practically that I am Brahmasmi, I am always everywhere. When I am practically realizing this theoretical based dimension, then I am spiritual and I will say that I had wisdom. And finally, the acquisition about knowledge is that it acquires when it is to be obtained or learned from books or from an individual. While wisdom is always developed, one can go for sadhana. One had to practice a lot. One had to practice a lot to acquire knowledge, and then that conversion of the knowledge practical manner comes under the arena or purview of wisdom. So wisdom is always been developed while knowledge or learning is to be acquired. And knowledge is always been associated with mind, human intelligence, mind, while wisdom is always been related to soul. So soul is far, far more superior than mind or intelligence. Soul throws light to the mind. Mind depends upon soul. Soul is the ultimate truth. And that is why we can say that wisdom is more wider as compared to knowledge. So this is the difference between knowledge and wisdom. Now, what's the difference between what is knowledge worker and wisdom worker? A knowledge worker is a mostly technically minded individual who works primarily with information. The main asset is knowledge. That is called as the knowledge worker. Knowledge worker is always been a technical person who actually works on the basis of the gathered or collected information. And the common skills exhibited by a knowledge worker, it includes, first of all, to gather data, then to analyze data, then to understand the trends and practicing convergent thinking. And the knowledge workers, they always excels in law, science, medicine, architecture, technology, and so many number of industries. So this is the idea regarding knowledge worker. What is wisdom worker? Wisdom worker is a creative minded individual who actually works on emotional creativeness. So creativity, innovation is the ultimate background of for wisdom worker, because wisdom worker, they are always innovative, they are always creative. Number two, wisdom workers' main skill is their ability to weave engaging narrative into their work. So whatever theoretical concept is there, they actually are in a position to convert theoretical dimension into a practical one. And their role, wisdom workers' role, where wisdom workers shine include advertisers, web content managers, social media marketers, public relation officers, marketing executives, and many more. And definitely all these things requires a degree of creativity. So who is most important? It is the wisdom worker that is most important as compared to the knowledge worker. So today I had taken about something about introductory dimension about knowledge and wisdom. And I had explained the concept of knowledge as well as the concept of wisdom. I had also explained the demarcation between knowledge and wisdom. And finally, I had also discussed at length what is knowledge worker and what is wisdom worker. How one can identify knowledge worker and how one can identify wisdom worker. Thank you. Thank you.